Good morning, students. From Standard 8 English Medium, chapter number 3rd. The chapter name is Pronouns. So, today I am going to discuss with you the pronouns and its types. Some of them its types. So, first I explain the definition of the pronoun. What is pronoun? The pronoun is the words that can replace, stands for, or refer to a noun phrase in a sentence. Okay, now see, pronouns are words that can replace, stands for, or refer to a noun phrase in a sentence. They play a role similar to noun phrase in a sentence. A noun phrase may consist of just a noun or a noun with pre-modifiers and or post-modifier. So what is pronoun? Replace the noun. Means here given the boy name. Name Mihir. So I replace the Mihir name. Mihir is the name of a boy. So I replace this name using this pronoun he. So using this pronoun he. So that is the pronoun. Okay, replace it. So this is the pronoun. Okay, now see here there is paragraph given and there are the words with red pen. Okay, so this is the pronoun we use here. Ramesh wanted to send some flowers to his mother. So in the first line use the name of the boy Ramesh. Ramesh. Okay, so Ramesh wanted to send some flowers to his mother. Okay, now in the second line talk about she lives in the other part of New Delhi. Here she who? His mother. So mother change into she. He went to shop and paid for them. He who? Ramesh. For Ramesh using the he. Okay, and them for flower. Shop and paid for them. Paid for them means flowers. So this is how we use it. Okay, the pronoun. While getting out of the shop, he says he saw a young girl. He, pronoun use, a young girl standing and sobbing outside the shop. He asked what happened. He means Ramesh asked. She answered means here she who? A young girl answered. I wish to buy a white rose for my mom. I here use who? I, a young girl. So this is how we use it. This pronoun. He, she, it, I. Okay. Now see the types of pronoun. The types of pronoun. Here today I am going to explain the two personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. Then next class I will explain the rest of the pronouns. Okay, types of pronouns. The personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are pronouns that function as the subject or the object in sentence. Okay, the two role which as a subject and as an object they use these personal pronouns. Now see the subject personal pronouns. Which are the subject personal pronoun? We use it as this one. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. This is the personal means the subjective personal pronoun. Where we use this as a subject we use it. Subjective personal pronoun are pronouns which are in the subjective or nominative case and which functions as the subject in a sentence such as I, we, you, he, she, it, they. We can use as a this. How? I am a boy. So here I is subjective personal pronoun in a declarative sentence. Okay. You are a good girl. So here you use as subject. So subjective personal pronoun. Now the third, she is very talented boy. Talented girl. She is very talented girl. So here she is used as subjective personal pronoun in declarative sentence. Okay. So these are the subjective personal pronoun. Okay. Now subjective completed. Now comes to the objective. Objective personal pronouns are pronouns which are in the objective or accusative case. Objective or accusative case. So which are they? The function we use as object in a sentence, which, see here given, me, us, you, her, them. These are the objective personal pronoun. You keep in your mind, this one, me, us, you, him, her, them. Okay, these are the objective personal pronoun. See the example. Rahul is an engineer. He works for Hindustan Petroleum. Okay, he works. So he is used in a sentence, starting sentence, so subjective personal pronoun. Rita is Rahul's wife. She also works in the same company. So she used as Rita, subjective. He met her when they were in college. He met her, he, using as subjective, but here her is used as object. So her objective personal pronoun when they were in college. So they is subjective. This, see, they, subjective personal pronoun. So the pronouns he, she and they replace the noun Rahul and Rita. For both Rahul and Rita, personal pronoun. He, she and they are subjective personal pronoun and replace the Rahul and Rita. And what is the her is objective personal pronoun, replace the object Rita. So you keep in this word which I, we, you, he, she, it, they. And this me, us, you, him, her, them. This is the objective personal pronoun. Now comes to the possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? See, possessive pronouns are words that refer to possession, showing the possession in a sentence. Okay, pronouns such as this: mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs, and its are possessive pronouns. So you remember these possessive pronouns which mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs, and its. These are the possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives both are different. So I talk about this possessive pronoun, then later talk about the possessive adjective. So see, possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Okay, so what is, see, possessive adjective? Which are the possessive adjective? This one, my, your, our, his, her, and their shows the possession by modifying a noun. They are called possessive adjectives. Modifying the noun, they are called possessive adjectives. Okay, why they are called? They are called so because they describe a noun like an adjective. Okay, with such words are usually not used in place of noun. Okay, a possessive noun on the other hand replace a noun. Okay, possessive noun replace a noun, and possessive adjective, what? They describe a noun. That is the difference between these two. Okay, we understand by the example. See, number 1, Meenakshi took Geeta's luggage but she forgot hers. Here hers, possessive pronoun here used. Apostrophe is Geeta's luggage, hers. Meenakshi took Geeta's luggage though she forgot to take her own luggage. So, in the first sentence, her and hers replace the noun luggage. Okay, replace the noun luggage. Geeta's luggage though she forgot to, her here used. While the word her describes the noun to show possession. And here is the pronoun, whereas her is a possessive adjective. So let's see the chart. of the possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. See, first person here given, first person singular plural, second person singular and plural, third person singular, third person singular for male and female and neuter, and third person plural here given. So possessive adjective and possessive pronoun here given. So keep in your mind, don't miss it, forget it. Possessive adjective we use my, our, your, his, her, its, their. And possessive pronoun mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. In this both, see, its and his, these two possessive adjective and possessive pronoun both are same, his, its and its. In the other, change only mine to mine, and the rest of their, ours, our, your, her, and their, only adding s after that. See, possessive pronouns. So keep in your mind. So this is the information of possessive types of pronoun. Which types? Personal pronouns and possessive pronoun. I hope you understand it. Thank you for listening me.